Hey guys, welcome back to Dude We Can Fix It. Today we're doing some body work on this 2013 Toyota Camry. As you can see, there was a front end collision on the passenger side which damaged the headlight, the hood, the bumper, and the fender. All in all, this was a pretty successful repair. I think it came out pretty good. Of course, this vehicle could use a new hood, a new bumper, and some professional body work to get it back to 100%. But if you find yourself in this situation and you do not have the funds to do so, I hope that this video helps you out and shows you some tips and tricks that I use to do some minor body work and repairs. Thanks for watching Dude We Can Fix It. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your bell notifications for future videos. As always, Dude We Can Fix It.